Hello and welcome to another episode of Talkin Nauti with Capt Frank. So today we're continuing my 4-part series on how to inspect your boat's electrical system. The goal being to head off potential problems while helping to keep your hours on the water both safer and electrically trouble-free. In my last video, we talked about inspecting your DC power systems. If you missed that article, I'll post a link to it in the description below. Today we're going to be talking about AC power systems, and this is a system that has a significant potential to cause an onboard fire when things go wrong. In the next 2 episodes, just to recap, we're going to be talking about inspecting circuit breakers and wiring, and then episode 4 will be inspecting onboard charging systems. And by that I mean battery chargers, inverters, inverter chargers, as well as solar and wind power systems. So before we get this party started, just a reminder, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Safety first, right? Although the inspections and checks mentioned in this series are geared toward the average boater, always seek the advice of a competent marine electrician when you are in doubt. One familiar with the standards and recommendations provided by the ABYC, American Boat and Yacht Council, and also NFPA, National Fire Prevention Association. So let's just get right into it. AC shore power systems. Barring some owner-induced MacGyverism gone bad, jury rig adapters, botched plug installations and the like, overheating and corrosion are the primary causes of shore power and AC system problems. Loose or corroded connections generate heat and the potential for fire. This problem is especially prevalent among vessels that continually run high energy loads such as water heaters and air conditioning units. I find that liveaboards are, they're the worst in this regard about running all these high loads continually. In the summertime, they're running air conditioning, and in the wintertime, a lot of times they run portable heating, portable electric heaters. So to start your inspection of your AC power system, first thing, turn off your boat's AC main breaker, then the shore pedestal breaker. Next, unplug the shore power cord at both ends and verify that all sources of power, such as generators and DC to AC inverters, are turned off, and also their respective breakers are placed in the off position. Next, inspect the power cord for chafe, cracks, split installation, or electrical tape repairs, any of which are grounds for replacement. Plugs and inlets, both at the boat and dock pedestal. You want to check those too. They should be checked each time that you disconnect the shore power cable and cord, such as when you're getting underway, for example, or monthly at a minimum. Look for discoloration, an indication of overheating or corrosion in or around the pins or plug inlets. Next up, check the feel of the connection when you plug it in. If you plug it in and it doesn't feel tight, if it feels loose, then it's probably not making a good electrical contact either, or connection either. A common problem I see while surveying boats is the shore power cord is missing the screw-on retaining ring at the plug. So what that is this is a ring that when you plug it into the boat, it's got a little ring on it that allows you to thread it in and tighten it up in place. This is a very important piece of equipment on your shore power cord, because what it does when you tighten it, it prevents the plug from wiggling around, and moving of the plug while it's energized can result in micro arcs and sparks, and at both the plug and the inlet pins and sockets. This in return can result in heat buildup and, in worst case, the fire. The shore power inlet on your boat is going to be the most common source of AC related fires because of this right here. You get the corrosion, you get the wiggling, the micro arcs and sparks, and that generates the heat, and that generates the heat buildup, and then that's what causes the fires. While you're at it, inspect the shore power pedestal plug you're using as well. Avoid using worn or damaged pedestal plugs and report any found to the marina personnel as soon as possible. Good things to do and bad ones not to do. One of the most common bad electrical practices I see with regards to the AC system is unplugging and plugging the shore power while the cord is energized, right? This not only results in micro arcs and sparks, which as we described above can lead to a fire, it can also damage AC power equipment should they be energized. To minimize these issues, always turn off individual appliances, branch circuit breakers, and then turn the main circuit breaker off to the vessel prior to turning off the shoreside circuit and unplugging the shore power cord. Or when switching between shore power and generator power, it's the same thing. As for good things, Conduct regular inspections. Keep your plugs and connectors dry and corrosion free. If you accidentally drop a plug in the water, turn off the power immediately. Unplug the cord and allow the connectors to dry. Spray it with a good marine grade contact cleaner and preventative, Bow Shield, WD-40, whatever to help prevent corrosion. Avoid storing your cords in non-weatherproof lockers where water can pool, and cockpits and other open areas where exposure to rain or spray can promote corrosion on your shore power cord, the connectors and the plugs and stuff. Storage bags, available for most marine retailers, are an excellent investment in this regard. They help to keep your cords readily accessible while keeping them dry and protecting them from dirt and moisture. Securing your power cord at the dock pedestal with a small length of line provides strain relief and helps prevent the plug from coming loose. Also provides support to the rest of your shore power cord so that it doesn't hang in the water or generate undue strain on the boat's receptacle. Securely tightening the aforementioned retaining ring will help a considerable bit in this regard. Finally, it's always a good practice to keep a can of electrical contact cleaner and a small brush, an old toothbrush works fine, in your toolkit for use in cleaning contacts, both at your home dock and while traveling to different marinas. And if you enjoyed this video, you definitely don't want to miss the next segment on how to inspect circuit breakers and wiring. This is the heart of both your AC and DC systems, so you definitely don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, and you want to buy Capt Frank a cup of coffee, please click on the thanks button below this video. All tips received, not spent on coffee, will be used to improve my YouTube channel and create even more awesome videos.